If you've been seeing BunnyBand all over social media promising easy money for completing simple tasks, downloading apps, taking surveys, and referring friends, you might be wondering whether this platform is actually a legitimate opportunity or just another website making big promises that are difficult to deliver. BunnyBand presents itself as a simple side hustle where users can supposedly earn generous rewards almost immediately, with attractive sign-up bonuses, high-paying tasks, and what appears to be a growing community of successful members. On the surface, the platform looks impressive, and the earning dashboard can make it seem like money is adding up very quickly. However, after taking a closer look at how the system operates, the overall picture becomes much less clear. One of the biggest concerns is the earning model itself. When a platform claims users can earn several dollars for extremely simple actions, it naturally raises questions about how those payouts are being funded and whether the business model is sustainable over the long term. Another issue is that many users report seeing large balances accumulate inside their accounts but encountering problems when attempting to withdraw their earnings. Reports frequently mention withdrawal delays, payment errors, account restrictions, or requests to complete additional requirements before funds can be released. There are also concerns surrounding the platform's activity notifications, testimonials, and payment screenshots, which often appear difficult to independently verify. Some users have pointed out that the site relies heavily on referrals, encouraging members to invite others in order to unlock additional earning opportunities. Critics argue that this structure benefits the platform by generating engagement while leaving many users uncertain about whether they will actually receive the money displayed in their accounts. Adding to the skepticism is the fact that BunnyBand is a very new platform with a limited track record and numerous negative reviews from users claiming they never received payment. While that does not automatically prove the platform is a scam, it does suggest that anyone considering BunnyBand should proceed carefully, manage expectations, and thoroughly research the risks before investing significant time into the platform. Based on the available information, BunnyBand appears to be a website that deserves caution rather than blind trust.